Hey guys, welcome to the mukbang video. Wow, she is eating pork, and if you don't believe, just click in the link below so you can find the whole video. She's eating almost 3 kgs of pork. Do you believe it, guys? She's eating 3 kgs of pork. And I guess she did it earlier also. And that pork is so well cooked. Oh my god. Guys, not only pork, it's also a kind of ramen I am seeing on the plate. Oh my god, she's enjoying eating 3 kgs of pork. Do you guys believe it? Oh my goodness. The pork cooks so well. So tender, soft. Subscribe.